appears there is only one way to profit in these market scenarios. Everything is traded bullish, be it the indices, commodities, or in fact energy and metals. So everything is traded bullish. We can see gold and silver are also giving a breakout today, while natural gas and crude oil is also traded bullish yesterday. So can we expect this bullish momentum to continue today as well? How to profit, where to enter, what levels you should take the trade, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. In this update, first we'll look into gold, followed with silver, and in the end, oil and gas. You can also skip to your favorite instrument by clicking on the respective chapter. Let's start with gold. Gold on the hourly charts have traded bullish here, taking the support here, and then here it has given a breakout. See, moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish. It has also breached the critical resistance at 23.60-65, and it appears it may try to head towards 23.80 levels, 84 levels, the first resistance. But and the lows of the channel now are sitting at around 23.50, 23.45 zone. Let's see if there is a possibility for gold to reverse till then. If you look at the hourly charts also, a very strong base is formed here at 23.55 levels, 58 levels. Thus, this zone is going to be critical only and only if gold breaks this zone and breaks 23.45. We can say that it is turning bearish, else it is still not bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is overbought here. Coming to 2-hour, the observation is same on the 2-hour chart. See, it has shown a reversal sign, but then it has given a breakout and it is continuing its upward journey. It appears there is still further room for gold to rise. Also, if you look at, just connect the dots here, you will find that the moving averages 2050 are also coming together here at 23.40-45 zone, and this is also the bottom of the channel. So these levels are achievable, but this is going to be a greater support for gold on the downside. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI is overbought here. Coming to 3-hour chart, the observation is more or less same. See, look at this, the drop here, and since then we have seen gold trading bearish. Yesterday it has given a breakout, and since the breakout it has also breached the critical resistance here at 23.65, and now continuing on the upside today. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, and if you look at the RSI, this is also rising. The observation on the 4-hour charts is also more or less. Another point to note here, see, the moving averages are still bearish here. It is not yet crossed over, and these are coming together in between 2350 to 2340 zone, which makes it a very strong support zone here on the downside. Any drop below 2340 is a clear sign that the bears are going to be in action, but chances for which appears to be less today. Stochastic overbought here, MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards here on the 4-hour charts, and RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily chart. Before we look into daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting 10th of June. Do not miss to register for it. My years of learning and experiences are encapsulated in the form of tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setup such that you can all trade profitably. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where you're trading as per the signals. Also, you can benefit. Thus, ping me on Telegram or email for details. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade safe and secure, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the link and description. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see, first of all, gold was trading in this bearish channel. It has given a slight breakout yesterday. See, second thing is it has closed at the top, and today it has continued on the upside. So closing flat, continuing bullish suggests that it is willing to trade bullish further, and at least 23.80, 20, and in fact more levels are achievable. So 23.80, 84 is something you should watch out for. Beyond that, we will look forward to 2400. Also, if you connect the dots here, what gold is doing is trying to trade in this channel here, and the highs of the channel are far above. We have to wait for it to trade above 2400 levels for it to continue on the upside towards 2450 and plus levels. Stochastic is rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge here, and RSI is rising as well. Looking at, I will recommend you to buy 2374 levels, expected to move towards 2379, 2381 levels. First target 2385 the next, and if it stays above 2385, we can look forward to 2400 levels today itself. Else, if not today, then maybe by next session we may see those levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2364. However, it is very important for gold to drop below first 2360 59 first resistance, and then 2354 55 second. If these two levels are taken, then you can say that the bears might be seen in action, and then you can look forward to 2348 2340 levels, chances of which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Has started the day on a bullish note, taking the support from $30 levels, which was the resistance earlier, has now become the support. The moving averages have also started to converge, and since then we have seen it trading bullish. However, very important for silver to break this zone here at 3080 and 31. If silver breaks 3080 $31 levels, then you can say it is turning bullish. It is reversing and a stronger rise towards 3150, and in fact higher levels can be expected. Right now, yes, silver is trading in this bearish channel here. The top of the channel is here at 3080 $31 levels. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is bullish here, and RSI is also overbought on the hourly charts. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts today. After consolidation here in this zone, it has given a breakout. It has hit the highs at 50 period. 50 period is indeed a good resistance here, and thus you can buy. If you see it is staying above 3070 3080 zone, you can initiate a buying entry and then expect it to break beyond $31. Once it stays above 31, the chances for it hitting 3150 will be very high. Stochastic is overbought here on the hourly chart. See, MACD, after forming double bottom, it is rising. It can continue to diverge. It can continue to trade bullish. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts as well, the similar is the observation. After forming a strong base here at 2950, it has started to rise, and it is still trading bullish here on the upside. Now we have to just wait for it to stay above 3060 3080 zone. That will confirm the bullish breakout here towards 3150 levels, else I can still see that it is delivering lower highs and lower lows here. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence. It appears it can continue on the upside. The RSI is rising, signs of bullishness. Coming to 4 hour charts, the observation is more or less same here on the 4 hour charts. See, the drop was sharp, the rise is a bit gradual, but yes, it is still vertical, and yes, it has come towards the lower highs and also the 50 period moving average. Thus the zone here at 3060 3080 is going to remain critical resistance for silver here on the upside. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought here. The MACD, look at MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence. It appears there is further bullishness left in silver. RSI is rising, again signs of bullishness. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, you can find out double bottom is seen and it is showing a rise, and it can try to be at par with this at least. So it means it has a potential to move towards $31 levels, which should be a greater resistance for silver to break past by. Beyond 31, certainly we can say that it is turning bullish, and then 3150 levels can be expected. Stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish here. This is one concerning point for me, that it is trading with divergence, is staying bearish, and it has further room on the downside. So even if it tries to converge, it means it can try to move towards 3150, and then the fall can be expected. The RSI is rising here. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 3060 3080 zone. Beyond this, you can expect it to move towards 31. 31 should be a greater resistance, and after that 3125 3150 are the two targets. In fact, it can try to move towards 3150 if it stays above 31. 31 should be a greater resistance for the day. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 20, not 29 but 30 20 30 30 levels. If it stays below 30 30 30 20 levels, we can say that the bears are back in action. However, $30 levels and 29.8, these are the two stronger support here on the downside. Only and only if silver trades below 29.8, you can say that the bears are back in action, else this is a bullish day for silver, and every drop towards 29.8 is an opportunity for you to buy. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude. See, for crude oil, yesterday in my update, I have mentioned that the candle is a reversal sign, and also the price is trading outside Bollinger Band. So there has to be a pull, and precisely and beautifully, oil has moved towards 74.5. Now, can we expect a further bullish candle here, which can take the prices towards 76? That is something we have to see. The prices, though, are trading with divergence and bearishness, and the possibility of a convergence exists. Let's start with the hourly charts here. On the hourly charts, I can see a reversal sign, but also I can see a support here. Thus, a selling entry is below 74.2, but then 74, 73.8, 73.6. So there are very good support here for crude oil as long as 73.6 is not taken. Earlier 73.6 was a resistance. Now this is going to be a very good support. And thus, yes, you can sell here when you see the higher prices above below 74.2, but still, as I said, do not treat crude oil as bearish as long as 73.6 is not taken here. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is near to top. Coming to the 2-hour charts, also on the 2-hour charts, we can see this, the drop here, the retracement, and now it is trying to reverse. There is a reversal sign here, so possibly this candle and the next candle is something you should watch out for, and we may see trading bearish where the prices might try to retrace a little on the downside. Stochastic here is overbought. The MACD here is divergent. The MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards here. The RSI is also comfortable. Coming to 3-hour charts, see on the 3-hour chart, the prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. It is converged here. It is aspiring to move towards 50 period, but getting a very good resistance here. So thus buying entry anyways is above 74.5 levels, where you can expect 74.8, 75.2 zone first target levels, and then 75.5 the next. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD here has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying bullish here. RSI is coming out of the oversold levels here. Coming to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts, prices stabilize here and now converge towards 20 period. It was diverging from the 20 period. Now, if it breaks beyond 20 period moving average, which means 74.5 levels it needs to take, that will confirm its upward journey, and then you can look forward to 74.8, 75.2 and 75.5 levels. Stochastic is overbought here. Look at MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI has come out of the oversold zone here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, you can see a reversal sign is seen, and today it is delivered first bullish candle. I expect that there has to be a second bullish candle as well, which can in fact take the prices towards 76. So when the next candle starts, and if you see it is staying beyond 74.5 and then 74.8, 75 zone, if these two levels are taken, stay bullish in crude oil, we can look forward to 75.2, 75.5 and 76 levels. So this is regarding the buying end. While you can also sell here at 74.2, but this is riskier. 74, very good support. 73.8, 73.6, very good support here. As long as 73.6 is not taken, you have to put a 20 cents trailing stop loss. Below 73.6, we are looking at 73.25 and 73 levels at the next targets. If it drops below 70, then only you should treat oil as bearish, else I do expect that the bullishness is going to prevail today. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at natural gas. See, natural gas is getting resistance here at 2.8 levels, which is indeed a very good resistance. After the drop, it has retested here, waiting for a breakout here. 2.8, 2.82 and 2.85 are the three levels which it needs to break in order to confirm the bullish or a reversal. Right now it is getting a very strong resistance here. Also, I can see the moving averages crossing over here, signs of bullishness. Higher lows are also seen. On the downside, 2.75, 2.7 is a stronger support. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge. Crossover for a sell. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to 2-hour, look at 2-hour charts. Very clear resistance here on the upside, and it is symmetrical formation, so possibility of a drop exists. I will still not treat this as very bullish as long as 2.85 is not taken, which is indeed a very good resistance. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is bullish and RSI is trading flat. Coming to 3 hours, the observation is more or less similar. After the rise, divide this into two. It is, see the symmetry here. So possibly we may see it consolidating before taking a shape. The stochastic is overbought here on the 3-hour chart. The MACD is bullish and the RSI is running flat here. Coming to 4-hour, the observation on the 4-hour charts is more or less same. Here you can find the double top, which is a matter of concern, and thus this becomes a greater resistance, and that is why I say a buying entry is now above 2.82, where you can expect 2.8485 as the first target zone. Also, you can see one bearish candle, one swing candle in the current candle. If it trades on the downside and drops below 2.76, you can take a sell for 2.7472. 2.72 is going to be a very good support. Stochastic overbought here, MACD divergent and bullish, and RSI running flat. Coming to daily chart, one point to note here on the daily chart, see prices have taken a very good support from the 20 period, and it is trading in this bullish channel. Just once it stays above 2.85, we can look forward to a very strong. Else I'll still not treat net gas as bullish. The possibility of a reversal exists, and then only and only if it drops below 2.6, you can say that it is turning bearish. Look at the stochastic. This is retraced. The MACD is bearish here. See, it is crossed over here at the top, and it is trading with divergence and bearishness. It has further scope for downside. RSI is almost comfortable. So looking at this, you can buy here 2.82 levels and sell at 2.76 levels. Beyond 2.82, we can look forward to 2.8485 first target zone, and then if it breaks beyond this, we can look forward to 2.92, The next target beyond 2.92, sky is the limit. $3 levels are the next targets. On the downside, we can look forward to, if you can sell here at 2.76, but be careful at 2.72573 level first target, and then 2.7. Only and only if natural gas trades below 2.7, the bears will try to take over for 2.65, 2.6 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session and before the data releases today. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again in few hours. Thank you.